is another beautiful day here. Please excuse the scruff. I'm actually on leave. And the squint as the sun's in my eyes. Let's see if I can get a better vantage point here. Anyway, this truck here, my 2014 Silverado, the tires are completely worn. And I'm gonna see about picking up a set on Craigslist for pretty cheap. Not Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, whatever have you. But this tread is absolutely no good. No good whatsoever. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can meet with these folks. So I'm gonna stop my trim project temporarily just to see if I can get over there earlier so I can pick up these tires. Now I know what you're thinking, engine bay, totally filthy, sorry for the wind, but I just installed this K&N intake on the truck and I'm gonna see how it does on this trip. This is my first, not really long distance trip, but I wanna see what the gas mileage is like. So stay tuned to find out. Road, as you can well see, and says I'm about 50 minutes away, so well, 55 to 60 with all these Sunday drivers driving on this Tuesday morning. So yeah, I'm not sure how long it'll take to get where I'm going, because I haven't looked at the GPS in a while, but we'll see. Hopefully there's not traffic. I don't like going this way. I'm avoiding all the tolls, so hopefully that just means it's open road and that there's no bridges or tunnels, as there are a ton of them in this area and I can't stand it because of traffic. So that being said, I'll see you on the other side. Something really cool is outside the window. You can see the intercoastal waterway. It's man-made. It goes all the way down the East Coast. It's pretty crazy. I don't think I've ever realized. I mean, I've seen it before, but I never realized that's what it was when I drove past it. Okay, so we made it. I'm just waiting for the seller to meet me here. There's our truck. And yeah, just waiting. Hopefully he gets here soon. So I've never been to this rest stop, but not far from the Great Dismal Swamp. All right, so really great guy that I just met, getting the tires from. I'm very happy that I get to meet people like that with these transactions. So now we got the 1 hour drive back to the house and get to fill my stomach, which is empty, and we'll go from there. So with our intake, we're actually not doing too bad, averaging 20.5 miles per gallon, and the best is 24.1. Now, that's the last 25 miles, and I've gone a little bit further than that. If I change it to the last 50, we're about 19.7, and an average high of 22 or 22.6. So it's not bad. It's better than what I was getting. If you look at the last 400, that includes before I put it on, we're at 15.2 average, and then the best is 18.7. So there's some data for you. Take it for what it's worth. I mean, some of that is based on driving conditions and distance and throttle input by myself, but yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. And we're back in Virginia. I have got an opportunity to take my truck to my mechanic so they can put the tires on. I spent a lot of time yesterday putting the lift in. Not the lift. It's a leveling kit. It's not a lift. I know people are going to try to roast me, but put the lift kit in. The leveling kit. Scratch that. Let's try this again. We put the leveling kit, the front portion, in yesterday. With the front portion installed, I can get these tires that I purchased on Facebook Marketplace installed. They're 275 70 R18s, which is effectively just over 33 inches. It's like 33.4 inches. So we should not have any clearance issues with the 3-inch leveling kit, the Motofab leveling kit that I installed. just the other day, yesterday. I have yet to do the back, but I know that clearance is not a problem in the back. So yeah, but I gotta get it done like right now. So we're here to get it done now. Yeah. All right, so we got it on there. We got the front front level, and we got, as you can see it, it's right there. And we got our 275/70 R18s. I like these Goodyear Wranglers. I think it's a good looking tire. Pretty quiet on the road. I am happy with it. Now we just gotta do the back.